The AirPods is without a doubt the best wireless headphones to pair with your iOS device. It's small, compact, and great for taking phone calls or listening to podcasts on the go. The Nintendo Switch is the best handheld console in the past several years, but there's one big problem. You can't really use your AirPods or any Bluetooth headphones whatsoever. But we might have found a solution that fixes that. If you're a casual Nintendo Switch user, you know that using the 3.5mm headphone jack at the top of the device is quite annoying, and it's not all that convenient. Unfortunately, Nintendo doesn't allow for Bluetooth headphones out of the box, which means you can't really use your AirPods or your Powerbeats Pro or any wireless headphones for that matter. And this is where the HomeSpot USB-C transmitter comes in. This little device is essentially a Bluetooth transmitter made specifically for the Nintendo Switch. It's designed to fit the rest of the Switch's design and plugs directly to the Switch's USB-C port at the bottom. Now inside the box you also get a USB-A to USB-C adapter so that you can use the transmitter even if your Nintendo Switch is docked, and you also get this mini microphone that plugs in using the 3.5mm headphone jack on your Nintendo Switch. So the transmitter itself uses Bluetooth 5.0 and it's using Qualcomm's aptX codec to help with latency, but it also supports SBC, which is what non-aptX headphones use when streaming over Bluetooth. So how do you pair your AirPods or Powerbeats Pro to the Switch? It's super easy. Just plug the adapter to the Switch's USB-C port, grab your AirPods and make sure that it's still in its case, press and hold the pairing button on the back of the AirPods, and press and hold the left button on the HomeSpot adapter. Bring the two closer to each other and wait a few seconds. Now a green light should stay solid once it establishes a connection, and when you see that light, you should now be connected. Adjusting the volume works directly on the Switch, and there's little to no latency after using this adapter for a couple of days. Now I don't really play any games that requires me to use headphones, but it's great to have if you're traveling or you don't want to disturb someone in the same room. This is a really great option. If you have the new AirPods or Powerbeats Pro and you've been looking for ways to connect them to your Nintendo Switch, the HomeSpot USB-C transmitter is your best friend. If you're looking for the best prices on the AirPods 2 or Powerbeats Pro, make sure to check out the links below, and that's where you can also pick up your very own HomeSpot USB-C transmitter.
Hey everyone, did you guys like that video? Be sure to click on that like button so we can create content that we know that you guys want to see. And follow AppleInsider on all social media channels. If you want the best prices on any Apple gear, check out the AppleInsider price guide that is updated daily. And until next time, we'll see you later.